Some political leaders, some leaders are making false statements, making false allegations, which is not correct. Allegations something like a CM office పక్కనే జరిగడము, మళ్ళీ ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు అని, సీఎం గారు ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు, డీజీపీ గారు ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు దీని గురించి అని ఇలాంటి వ్యాఖ్యలు, మాటలు కరెక్ట్ కాదు. ఇలాంటి అసత్య ప్రచారం చేయడము, అబద్ధం చెప్పడము అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. ప్రజల్ని తప్పుదావ పట్టించడము, ప్రజల్ని భయాందోళన గురి చేయడము, ప్రజల్ని అభద్రత భావనం కలిగించడం అది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. మనం కోరుతున్నాము ఇలాంటిది ప్రచారం చేయకూడదు. We request an appeal to this political parties and leaders. Firstly, we condemn such statement. It is not correct, and we appeal to the political leaders to make responsible statements after verifying the facts and not distorting the facts and making false and wrong statements. It creates unnecessary anxiety and fear in the minds of the people in the state of Andhra Pradesh, whereas we are very confident that if at all such activities are seen or visible, police will crack down very heavily on that. We are also in touch with central government agencies, DRI, in the connection with this investigation, and we are also rendering any assistance whatsoever sought with regards to this, because we would like to get to the bottom of this, and this is an anti-national activity. So therefore the utmost priority is also being given. The government of Andhra Pradesh, our Honorable Chief Minister also has given directions that we need to get to the bottom of all this, and whatever assistance is required to the central government agencies which are investigating, we will be rendering, and we are already doing.